Hi guys, I am Virtual Teacher back with another new video. Today I want to show you how to draw Ben 10 with pencil step by step. If you are new in my channel, then don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for new videos notification. So let's start watching this video. I hope everyone enjoy and watch this video till the end. If you want to learn something from this video, you will be draw the line step by step as it is shown in this video. Then it will be awesome. I'm holding on to this, holding on. I know I'm holding on to this, holding on. Don't let me repeat it. Friends have changed, but so can you. So can you. For too long about the mistakes, while I resent, I learned to hate. Forgot your names. Fear the struggle to follow on. Need to focus to prove you're wrong. I'm not wrong. I know I'm holding on to this, holding on. I know